Happy New Year to you and all your beloved ones. I wish you peace, love, happiness, success, and good health. Now let me say it in Lingala. Eyenga elamu ya mbula ya sika, na yo pe na bayo ya bolingo. Natombeli yo kimia, bolingo, esengo, bomengo, pe nzoto kolongonu. In this video, I'm teaching you some New Year vocabulary or word that you can use during the New Year. Let's get started. The first word we're starting with is party. Party. Party in Lingala means feti. Feti. January 1st in Lingala is Mokolo Wayambo Yasanza Wayambo. Mokolo Wayambo Yasanza Wayambo. Year 2019 is Mbula Nkoto Mibale na Zomi na Libwa. Mbula koto mibale na zomi na libwa 2019. Noise in Lingala means makelele. Makelele. Noise maker is Mosali Makelele. Mosali Makelele. Next, resolution. Resolution is Mokano. Mokano. New Year means Mbula Yasika. Mbula Yasika. Best wishes is Matombeli ya Malamu. Matombeli ya Malamu. Food is Bilei. Food is Bilei. You can also say Bilia. Drinks means Masanga Sukali. Masanga Sukali. Water is Mai Yakomela. Mai Yakomela. Beer is Masanga. 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 Wine means Vino. Vino. Next, gift means Kado, or you can also say Likabo. Kado or Likabo. Balloons means Eloko ya pema. Eloko ya pema. Party hat means Ekoti ya feti. Ekoti ya feti. Postcard is Mokanda mwa botombeli. Mokanda mwa botombeli. Mokanda mwa botombeli. Toothpick is Mbandi ya mino. Mbandi ya mino. Party clothings are Milato ya feti. Milato ya feti. Cup means kopo. You see, it sounds similar. Kopo or very. copo or very means cup. Make sure you ring the bell and your page looks like this so you don't miss out and you get the notifications whenever we put a new video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any future video. If you have any question, please comment below or send us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing The Love Gracias. The Love Gracias. Thank you and see you next time.